Oh, rotten in that sandlot. I gotta get stuck with J. Edgar Hoover Jr.
How are we gonna cover the whole train? There's like 50 cars and 100 passengers, and holy mackerel!
Bingo! It's gotta be Babe's bat.
Whoa! Okay, we found them. I'll give you that. But anything could be in that case. A trombone, a wooden leg, a pogo stick. Well, there he goes, so I guess we'll never know. Too bad. Come on, boy. What? Hey, wait, where are you taking me?
I think that's him.
Let's call the cops.
I'm not sure. Take a closer look.
Wow.
Is it him?
There's a horse jumping off a diving board. Oh, no, wait. I think that's Eleanor Roosevelt.
Screwie, is it Lefty or not? Take a quick look as you roll yourself back.
Roll myself backward. Whoa. Ah! Oh, what a headache. No. Hello. No.
Did you see him?
Third row, I'll seat. Where are you going? Good. You got it. Now take me back to the sandlot.
Uh-oh.
Brought us up for trouble. Hey, you! Stop right there! I'm a ball. I'm probably going to survive this, but you're a squishy little kid. Whoa!
Screwie!
Yankee! Help me!
Give me back my box, kid! Oh! Huh? Kid still got the moves.
Sir, I need to see your ticket.
The fun's over, you little punk.
feel good.
It doesn't really hurt so bad. Wait, yes, it does hurt. Here it comes. Oh, yeah. Ah! Ah!